I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Poco F4. Firstly, you need to locate Play Store on both smartphones and open it. So must click. Then install this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer and tap on Open. In order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then select Receive on Poco and Send on an Android. Following that, you can click on all of those type of dots and select Send next to selected. This way you can choose all of your files and then send them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, for example that one, just send and click on Got it. Now on Poco, just no thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon over here, tapping on while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But we can always input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!